Good morning, students of class 7. Today I am going to discuss about the rise of Islam, the remaining portion, the spread of Islam and the Umayyad dynasty. Here I am trying to ready a periodical chronology of first four Khalifa for all of you. That you see, the Hazrat Muhammad was the first Khalifa or prophet, you can say, whose time period was 570 to 632 C. Next, Hazrat Abu Bakr, whose time period was 632 to 634. Hazrat Umar Farooq, 634 to 644. Hazrat Usman Ghani, 644 to 656, and lastly Hazrat Ali, 656 to 661 CE. So all of these four Khalifa try to expand their Islamic empire, followed it by the Hazrat Muhammad. After the death of Hazrat Ali, his son Hassan was the actual successor for the post of Khalifa, but Umayyad dynasty of Syria, whose ruler was Muawiyah or Muawiyah's continuous conspiracy against Hassan, and lastly he dropped his claim. Umayyad caliphs continued to expand the Islamic empire between 661 to 750 CE. They made Damascus the capital city of the Arab Empire. Damascus in present day Syria. The Umayyad dynasty spread from Spain and France to Sindh, from Samarkand in the east to the Mediterranean coast of Africa in the west. After the death of Muawiyah, his son Wajid, as his successor, and ruled for a short time period, but he remembered his opposition, Hussein, who was the Prophet's grandson. The massacre at Karbala, where Hassan and his family were brutally killed by Yazid's troops. Muslim observed these days Muharram on this day. After the Wajid, Abdul Malik ruled over 20 years and administrated across the North Africa and also Persia. Here two questions arise. What was the contribution of Abdul Malik as a ruler of Arabia and expansion of his empire? So, all of these questions answers you get your exercise book, and also you get all the topic in your book. Okay. Lastly, uh, trade flourished under him, and he constructed the Golden Dome over the Dome of the Rock at Jerusalem. His successor helped in the expansion of the dynasty from the Ibrahim Peninsula of the river Indus. The dominance of the Umayyads was challenged by the Franks in Europe, and Abbasids, another Muslim faction in the Arabian Peninsula itself. The Umayyads were defeated, and most of the family members were killed, except for one who fled to Spain, where a Western Umayyad dynasty was established. After the Umayyad dynasties, the new dynasties formed, that is the Abbasids dynasty, which I discussed in my next video. Okay, thank you. हजरत मोहम्मद के हजरत अली के डेथ के बाद उसका हसन जो एक्चुअल सक्सेसर था वो था खलीफा का पोस्ट को देखभाल करने के लिए एकदम प्रोमिनेंट रूलर, बट कंटिन्यूअस कॉन्स्पिरेसी अगेंस्ट हसन मुआविया का कंटिन्यूअस कंस्पिरेसी उसको एकदम डिटरमाइन कर दिया ये पोस्ट को छोड़ने के लिए। तो उमैया डायनेस्टी का जो खलीफा जो था मुआविया, तो धीरे धीरे वही अपना एक्सपेंशन को बढ़ाया एंड उसको आगे लेकर जाने के लिए बहुत कुछ किया था उसका सक्सेसर। जैसे आफ्टर द वाजिद कुछ काम किया था, जो कारबाला में जो मुहर्रम सेलिब्रेट होता है इस्लाम का, तो हसन को उसका ट्रूप इतना ही ब्रूटली उसको किल किया था। तो इसको शरण में रखते हुए तो मुस्लिम ये इस दिन को ऑब्जर्व करता है मुहर्रम से। आफ्टर उसके बाद अब्दुल मालिक रूल्ड 20 साल तक एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन चलाया था, बट आफ्टर दैट दे फॉल डाउन एंड अब्बासी डायनेस्टी was flourished. In my next video, I will try to discuss the last portion of this chapter, Abbasid dynasties. Thank you.